hear the wind?
Brian,
It's
where
windy outside. Huh? Those are the balloons. See? Balloons? See the balloons? I don't think you can see the balloons yet. Do you hear the wind? I know you can hear a lot of the wind blowing on you guys. That's why you can hear the wind. Oh my gosh, I can't with Lily. I can't with Lily anymore. Did you hear about Lily? Okay, you guys. Okay. Again, that's the ceiling fans. That's, wow. Okay, I'm coming, Mommy. See, that's the ceiling fans. Do you see the ceiling fans? Wait. Guys, do you see the ceiling fans? I'm in my girl voice. I'm in my girl voice. Oh my gosh, I can't with Lily anymore. See the ceiling fan? See the ceiling fan? It's the ceiling fan. That's the ceiling fan, see? Yes! Huh?
Pay attention.
I'm trying to video the ceiling fans.
At least they left that.
Just one of their friends got proposed to.
Yes! Oh! Wait! Hey! You take the earbuds off.
Don't yell. Pay attention. Okay?
Bye, guys.